Good morning all. So we're on the 5th of the 4th 2022, which is a Tuesday. The usual GBPJPY. I'm on the 30-minute time frame. We can see here, if we quick look back at yesterday, so all these highs here was my target. I had my runner, so it was closed out at 39 pips. Yeah. So what did I do? We discussed why I didn't. This was not a concern to me, the break of structure on this trend line here, because we were on this strong support level. So we discussed all that yesterday. So end of day high, end of day lower high. Obviously, always keep in mind on my charts I have the period separators. Yeah, these light grey lines. So we know at the end of day yesterday, here we got the New York close and then into Asia. Yeah, so I'm not sure what happened on this big bearish candle here, maybe news or whatever. So I woke up this morning pre-London session, so straight away I drew high, lower high, trend line straight through. A bit messy because we've been in a little bit of a range past few days, but still we've got that break of structure here. We're above the 50 simple moving average. Yeah, so all this is being registered in my mind this morning. This strong support area, this zone round here. So we've got a strong wick rejection here. Yeah, so the trend line's drawn. We get the engulfing break here on this bullish candle. So I see that, and then we got to after this bullish candle, we get this pin hammer here, which was my confirmation as a retracement back to the 8. Even though I've gone against my plan and we are underneath the 50 moving average, my aggressive entry was here. Yeah, which we broke straight through me 25 pips to break even. Then I moved me second position stop loss up to break even, so I'm risk free, and then price shot up, pulled back, and I closed out at 33 pips on my second position, which was on these highs, which was at this level here around 161, 197. This is here 1 hour support and resistance level I've drawn on my chart. So going back to the actual plan and the strategy, we've got a confirmed trend line. We get the break. We don't get an entry until we get a push up and a close above the 50 on this occasion, and a retracement. So as much as I've took this aggressive entry here, the trade was still open for an entry. So this is my second entry of the day here, which is placed based on my actual trade plan. Yeah, so trend line break, wait for the break above the 50, which we get, and then we wait for the retracement back down to the 8 simple moving average, which we got here, and I got in. And we can see at the moment we've got, so I'm managing this trade right now. So if I just actually quickly just draw a break even point, so put that on there, just mark that as a break even line. Yeah, so I've just set a virtual overall target up here around the 162,230 level. So we'll see how this goes. We'll analyze this whole trade tomorrow to see if we hit break even. Yeah, so it's 25 pips there, stop loss to break even, second position managed up. We'll see how that plays out, but I hope I've explained well enough for you. Enjoy your day, hit the subscribe, see you later.